Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be playing with the brand new Winter Wonderland palette. This is from MBA Cosmetics. This is the first time that I will be trying out the brand, which I am super excited for. This is such a beautiful palette. I love the color story of it. I haven't even touched this yet, so I'm excited to dig into it and put it on my eyes. So if you want to see my thoughts on the palette and also the look that I come up with, then just keep watching. Here is what the outer packaging looks like. I actually really like this packaging. I love the colors of the sky in the background and then the trees. I think this is so beautiful. And then the inside, look at this palette. I am so excited to use this. You know, if you saw my 20 palettes that I want to use this winter, I was talking about blue, purple, green eyeshadow pretty much that entire video, so you know this is right up my alley for the winter time. I'm really excited to use this. Here are what the swatches look like. Look at these multi-chromes. They are so beautiful. They are very pigmented and reflective. I'm really excited to put those on my eyes. Some of the mattes were a little bit softer than the others, so I'm interested to see how they look on the eyes, but I am just so excited for these shimmers. I have you zoomed in and my eyes primed with the Glam Light Icing Base. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Snowball, which is just a matte white. I'm going to set my eyelids. You don't have to set your eyelids when you use eyeshadow primer, but I like to do that, and I also want to see this white shade. I'm going to use the shade Winter Chill, and I'm going to put this in the first half of my crease. Look at how vibrant that shade is. I'm impressed with that shade. I'm going to use the shade Frigid, and I'm going to do the same thing, but in my outer part of my crease. Then I'm gonna take Cozy Scarf, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower than that first shade we used. I'm going to use Chili Burr in the outer part of my crease. In the very outer corner, I'm going to take the shade Flannel. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Winter Chill and Frigid. Now for the moment we have all been waiting for, I'm going to use Frostbite on the inner half of my lid and then Arctic Blast on the outer half. I'm just going to use my finger because I find that that is best with multi-chromes. Look at this shade. Woo! Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at these multi-chromes. They just need a moment for themselves. I don't want to take away from the shimmers on my lid, so I'm going to take Snowball and use that as my inner corner. I did get just a little bit of fallout on my under eyes, nothing too crazy, but I'm gonna clean it up and add some mascara and I will be back with the finished look. I am obsessed with this eye look. I feel so pretty in it. These duochromes are an absolute dream. I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I love the way my makeup looks. I think we all know how I feel about the duochromes in the palette, but I wanted to talk about the mattes for a little bit. The shade Winter Chill and Frigid were nice and pigmented and they blended out really easily. I didn't have any issues with those. I did find that the three deeper shades that I used, you had to kind of build it up just a little bit to get that kind of depth in the eye look, but I don't mind that. I just wanted to put that out there. Overall, I think this is a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. For the first time of me testing out this brand, I am really impressed. I did want to mention this palette is $40. It is out of stock right now, but I'm sure they're gonna have it back in stock soon. I'm really impressed with this brand for the first time trying it. I'm definitely gonna pick up another palette. Do not sleep on this brand. I'm really excited to see what else they come out with, and I might pick up something else. But that is everything for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also make sure to follow my Instagram, Logan K Makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone, have a good one.